Namaste. Today we are going to discuss about problems based on area and volume of cylinder, sphere and hemisphere. So we start our first question, that is all cylindrical wooden log having length 14 centimeter and diameter 14 centimeter is cut into two equal halves along its length. Find volume CSA and TSA of one part. So solution, first we write our given length means height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder yours is equal to 40 centimeter and diameter of the base D is equal to 14 centimeter. So 14 centimeter, therefore radius of the base R is equal to diameter by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. Firstly, we should find the volume of the one part of that wooden. We know that volume of one part is half of the volume of total cylinder. Therefore, volume of one part V is equal to total volume of the cylinder pi r square yours by 2. That is, if we divide by 2 the total volume, then we get the volume of one part. That is equal to 22 by 7 into r means radius, 7 square into s means height of the cylinder, that is equal to 40 by 2. That is equal to 7 and power of 7 is cancelled here, is equal to 22 by 2, that is 11 into 7 into 40, that is equal to 11 into 7 into 40, that is equal to 3080 centimeter cube is the volume of one part of the cylindrical log. So remember that when the log is cut horizontally or vertically, volume of one part means half part is half of the volume of cylinder. Then CSA, curved surface area of one part is equal to half of the CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi r yachts by 2. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r yachts, so half part is going to 80 plus there is one rectangle. This is the breadth of rectangle, that is diameter, and this is the length of rectangle, that is height. That is diameter into height. That is equal to pi r s 2 and 2 are cancelled. Pi r s pi is 22 by 7 into r means radius. Radius is here 7 into s means height 40 plus d means diameter 14 into s means 14. That is equal to 7 and 7 are cancelled here. So we get 22 into 40. 22 into 40 plus 14 into 40, that is equal to 1440 centimeters square is the curved surface area of one part. And if the cylinder is cut horizontally, that means from the breadth side, then curved surface area of one part is only half of the curved surface area of whole cylinder. But here, if the cylinder is cut into the length, that is vertically, then curved surface area of one part is equal to half of the curved surface area of cylinder plus they form one rectangle. So this area of rectangle is equal to length. Length means height into breadth means depth. And total surface area of one part is equal to CSA plus 2 times of base area. Base is their semicircle, so curved surface area is equal to 1440 plus 2 into area of base is here semicircle, so area of base is 1 by 2 pi r square. So 2 and 2 are cancelled here. 1440 plus pi 22 by 7 into r square. So that is equal to 1440 plus 22 into 7 is equal to 1594 centimeters square. In this way, we find the total surface area of the cylinder, one part of the cylinder when the cylinder cuts vertically. So we start our next question, that is question number 2. That's about the combined solid object. Question number 2. Question number 2. Here is given that find volume C as a curved surface area and T as a total surface area of given solid object. Given combined solid object. Here is given that one cylinder and on the top of one part there is one hemisphere, and the diameter of this cylindrical part is 28 centimeter, and height of this cylinder, only the height of this cylinder is 20 centimeter. This is the height of only cylinder given, and question asks us is find the volume CSA and TSA of given combined solid object. So firstly, we should remember that to find the volume of combined solid object, we should find the volume of objects which we see in the figure. In this figure, we have one cylinder and one hemisphere. If we find the volume of cylinder and volume of hemisphere and we add those two volumes, then we find the volume volume of this combined solid object. And to find the curved surface area of this solid object, we find the curved surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of hemisphere, and add those two, we find the curved surface area of the combined solid object. But to find the total surface area of this combined solid object, we are not allowed to find the total surface area of same solid object and add those two. First, we should find the curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of hemisphere, and if any part are remaining here, then find the area of that part. Here, the remaining part is the area of circle, and if we add CSA of hemisphere, CSA of cylinder, and area of this base circle, then we find the total surface area of combined solid object. So, without any delay, firstly we should find. First, we write the given radius R is equal to 28 by 2 is equal to 14 centimeter. Diameter is given here 28 centimeter. So radius is equal to half of the diameter. And height of the cylinder, yes, is equal to 20 centimeter. So to find the volume CSA and TSA, firstly we should find the volume of cylinder and hemisphere. We write here for cylinder, volume of cylinder, we write here V1. V1 is equal to pi r square hertz. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square hertz. That is equal to 22 by 7 into r, means 14 square into hertz means 20. It's equal to 22 into square of 14 into 20 is divided by 7. That is equal to 12320 centimeter square, centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder. And find CSA of cylinder also. C is the curved surface area of cylinder. It is denoted by A1. A1 is equal to 2 pi r hertz. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 14 into hertz is 20. 7 2s are 14. So we calculate here 2 into 22. That is equal to 44 into 2 into 20, 40. That is equal to 1760 centimeters square is the curved surface area of cylinder. So similarly, we find volume and CSA for hemisphere, and we write here for hemisphere HESPHERE, hemisphere. Volume we denote by V2. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 2 by 3 pi means 22 by 7 into r means 14 to the cube. That is equal to 2 into 22, 44 into cube of 14 is divided by 3 7 are 21 is equal to 5749.33 centimeter cube. And find CSA of hemisphere. As PHCRE hemisphere, it is denoted by A2. A2 is equal to CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r means radius 14 to the square. That is equal to 2 into 22 44 into 14 to the square is divided by 7. That is equal to 1 2 3 2 centimeter square. And to find the total surface area, curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere plus we need the base area. So area of base, area of base A3, right? A3 is equal to base is circular here, so pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into r means 14 to the square, that is equal to 616 centimeter square. So to find the volume, I have already told you, therefore volume of combined solid offset. This is the offset. Volume of combined solid offset V is equal to V1 plus V2. That is volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. For other figures, when given, also if the combined solids are given and question asks us this, find the volume, then first find the volume of figures what you see in the figure, and if we add those all the volumes, then that is the volume of combined solid object. Here we see the figure cylinder and hemisphere, so volume of combined solid object means volume of cylinder, that is equal to 12320 plus volume of hemisphere, that is equal to 5749.33, that is equal to 12320 plus 5749.33, that is equal to 18069.33 centimeter cube is the volume of the combined solid object. Similarly, CSA, curved surface area, CSA of combined solid offset, CSA is equal to curved surface area of cylinder, that is A1 plus curved surface area of hemisphere, that is A2, that is equal to curved surface of cylinder 1760 plus curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 1232, is equal to 1760 plus 1232, that is equal to 2992 centimeters square is the curved surface area of solid object. And TSA, total surface area of combined, we are adding combined solid object, TSA is equal to CSA of combined solid object. Firstly, we should find the CSA of combined solid object plus remaining part if there is. So here is one, this base of area is remaining. So we write here CSA of combined solid object plus remaining part is A3. So A3 is remaining, we write it plus A3. 2992 is the curved surface area plus area of base A3 is equal to 616. That is equal to 2992 plus 616. That is equal to 3608 centimeters square is the total surface area of this combined solid. So remember that to find the volume of combined solid object, find the volume of thin objects, all thin objects and add them. Find the curved surface area of combined solid object. Find the CSA of thin object and add those. And to find the total surface area of combined solid object, find the curved surface area of thin object and add if any remaining parts are there. This is about the question number 2. Okay. Then we start our third question. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3. Here is given that a combined solid of COMBRNE combined solid made up of a cylinder of radius 21 centimeter and length earth centimeter and a hemisphere with the same radius as the cylinder has volume of 102564 centimeter cube. Find the value of earth. Find the value of earth. This is given here. A combined solid is made of a cylinder of radius 21 centimeter. It's better to draw the figure. Here is one cylinder. One cylinder is here, having the radius of the base is 21 centimeter and the length of the cylinder, that means height of the cylinder, is H centimeter. H centimeter is the height of the cylinder here, and the hemisphere with the same radius, and in one side of the cylinder there is a hemisphere at one end having the equal radius as the cylinder has the volume. This must find the value of H. That means there is one combined solid made up of a cylinder and hemisphere having the radius of the base R is equal to 21 centimeter and height of the cylinder is H centimeter, and a hemisphere with the same radius as the cylinder has the volume. Means combined volume of the solid object, volume of given, we write here given volume of combined solid object. OV is the object. V is equal to 102564 centimeter cube, and height of the cylinder H is equal to H centimeter. Radius of the base R is equal to 21 centimeter. H is equal to what? So here the volume of combined solid is given. So we use the volume of combined solid. We have volume of combined solid is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Sometimes curved surface area is given, so we use curved surface area is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Sometimes total surface area is given. At that time we use the total surface area is equal to CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder plus area of base. So we have volume, combined volume is equal to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder, or total volume is 102564 is equal to volume of hemisphere means 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square yes, or 102564 is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21 to the cube plus 22 by 7 into r means 21 to the square into yes, or 102564 is equal to 2 into 22, 44 into the cube of 21 is divided by 21. That is equal to 19404. 19404 plus 22 into square of 21 is divided by 7. 1386 into just this much yes, or 1386 years is equal to this minus this, that is equal to 102564 minus 19404. That is equal to 83160. Therefore, H is equal to 83160 by 1386 divided by 1386. That is equal to 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter is the height of cylinder. In this way, we find other unknown values when the value of 1 is given. That means here volume of the combined solid is given. Sometimes volume, instead of volume, curved surface area is given. So we use the formula of curved surface area of combined solid. Sometimes total surface area is given. So we use the formula of total surface area of the combined solid and find the unknown value. So this is about the question number 3. So we'll start our next question. Question number 4. A water tank is formed with the combination of cylinder and hemisphere. The total height of the tank, height of the tank is 24 meter and base area is 38.5 meters square. If the tank is filled with water at the rate of 24 paisa per liter, what is the total cost for the water? This is our question. Here is given that a water tank is formed with a combination of cylinder and hemisphere. It's better to do by making figure. So we make a figure here, that is, there is one cylinder and at the end of one cylinder there is a hemisphere. There is one tank. That is the combination of one cylinder as well as one hemisphere. The total height of the tank is 24 meters. This is the total height of the tank, that is equal to 24. The height of the tank is 24 meters. That is the height of cylinder and hemisphere. And the base area of the base A is equal to 38.5 meters square. If the tank is filled with the water at a rate of 25.4 paisa per liter, what will be the cost of the water? That means what is the cost of total water in the tank? So firstly, here is given that the base area is given here. By using base area, we find the radius of the tank at first. Given base area area A is equal to 38.5 meters square. Or we know base area means there is a circular base, so area of circle is pi r square is equal to 38.5, or 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 38.5, or r square is equal to 38.5 into 7 by 22, that is equal to 38.5 into 7 divided by 22 is equal to 12.25. Therefore, R is equal to under root 12.25 is equal to 3.5 meter is the radius of the base. So, we find the volume of this tank at first. After finding the volume, only we find the total cost of the water. So, to find the volume, first we should find the volume of cylinder and volume of hemisphere. Therefore, height of cylinder S is equal to 24 minus 3.5. That is equal to 20.5. The height of cylinder, then we find the volume and we find the volume of cylinder as well as the volume of hemisphere. So volume of combined solid object, VOLU, and volume of combined solid object, V is equal to volume of VOLU and volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube and volume of cylinder is pi r square yards. That is equal to 2 by 3 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius of the base r is equal to 3.5 to the whole cube plus 22 by 7 into r is 3.5 to the whole square into height of the cylinder is 20.5. So this is equal to 2 into 22, that is 44 into 3.5 to the square is divided by 21, that is equal to 25.67 plus 22 into 3.5 to the square into 20.5 divided by 7, that is equal to 789.25, that is equal to 814.92 meter cube is the volume of the countermeasure. This is in the form of meter cube. We know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So convert this into the liter, that is equal to 814.92 into 1000 liter is equal to 814920. Liter is the total water. And here is given that the cost for unit cost of the water is 24 paisa. Here is given that for unit cost C is equal to 24 paisa per liter. Therefore, total cost T is equal to total required water, that is 814,920 into per unit cost 24, that is equal to 814,920 into 24 is equal to 19558080 paisa. To convert the paisa into rupees, we should divide by the 100, that is Rs 195580.80 rupees is the total cost of the water. In this way, we estimate the cost of water in this question. Okay, next question is question number 5. Question number 5. Number 5. A tent is as shown in the figure. It has 693 people inside, and every people has 2 meter square space on the ground. If the capacity of the tent is 26334 meter cube, find the height of tent. Of the tent. Here is given that here is one tent that is in the shape of cylindrical, and on the top of the cylinder there is a hemispherical tent. A tent is shown in the figure. It has 693 people inside, and every people has 2.5 meter square space on the ground. If the capacity of the tent is 26334 meter cube, find the height of tent, where height of the cylinder is given here 5 meter. To find the height of this tent, first we should find the radius of the base. If we find the radius of the base, that is equal to height of this hemisphere. We know that in hemisphere, radius and height are equal. And after finding the height of hemisphere, if we add this height of hemisphere and this height of cylinder, that is the height of total tent. So first thing we write here given total number of people N is equal to 693. Space for each people S is equal to 2 meters square. Therefore, area of base, people should sit in the base of the tent. So area of base A is equal to number of people N into S, that is equal to 693 into 2, that is equal to 693 into 2, that is equal to 1386 meters square is the area of base. Height of cylinder S is equal to 5 meter, and volume of combined solid V is equal to 26334, and we have volume of combined solid is volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder is equal to 26334. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of cylinder is A into S. A means pi r square S, because the base area is given here, so we use this formula. A into S is equal to 26334, or 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube, plus A means area of the base, that is 1386, into S means height of the 10.5 is equal to 26334, or 44 by 21. 44 by 21 is equal to 2.79524 r cube is equal to 26334 minus 1386 into 5, that is equal to 19404. Therefore r cube is equal to, divided by 2.09524, that is equal to 926099. Therefore r is equal to cube root 9260.99, that is equal to 21 meter. 21 meter is the radius of base. Therefore height of hemisphere here is equal to 21 meter. And lastly, therefore height of tank, height of tank is equal to height of cylinder 5 plus height of hemisphere 21, that is equal to 26 meter is the height of total tank. In this way we find the height of total tank. Okay, this about the area and perimeter, volume of cylinder, sphere and hemisphere, or for the combined solid objects. If you really like this, please like the video, share the video. If you have any comments, please comment on this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this video and press the bell icon. Thank you.